As a data engineer, you need to know this difference. Let's take a quick look at how they work. Look at the top. This is the CSV format. CSV stores data row by row in plain text, and every row repeats all its values. In this example, 2025 and North appear again and again in each row. Now look at Parquet. Parquet stores data by column, not by row. That means repeated values like 2025 and North are stored only once and efficiently compressed. Let's start with a small file. Here, I load cells_small.csv, check the number of rows, and print its file size. Then I convert it to Parquet and compare both sizes. The CSV file is 577 bytes, whereas the Parquet file is 4.2 kilobytes. The difference isn't huge for small files. In fact, the CSV can even be slightly smaller. Now let's look at the big file. We'll load cells_big.csv and compare it with Parquet again. This time, the difference is huge. Parquet is way more efficient. If today's video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. See you next time.